how to earn up to 100k to 500k from yam business in Nigeria. This is what we are going to talk about in today's video. Now, if this is your first time of coming onto my channel, I am very glad to have you. My name is Awajimam Ishoto, and on this channel I teach you how to do stuff online. I teach you the things you can do to make money for yourself and grow your finances. All right, now yam business is a very lucrative business and a profitable business that you can start in Nigeria today. You can purchase yam in bulk from farmers and suppliers, and you can supply them to urban markets or local retailers. This business requires a minimum setup and can yield significant profits due to high demands of yam. In Nigeria, a lot of people consume yam, especially in seasonal period. Okay, when you have parties, you have events, you have celebrations, people eat a lot of yam, and that's why I'm bringing this to you so that you can launch into this, you can invest into this business. All right, that is that. Now, before I go into the full video, before I show you all that I need to show you in this video, I need you to kindly support me by liking this video, subscribing to this video, and making sure you turn on the notification bell. When you do that, it proves to me that you really care about the growth of this channel. Okay, and secondly, when you do that, you're going to be notified every time I post a new video. All right, now thank you very much for doing that. Let's go on to the video. Now, before you do yam business, before you go into yam business, there are some steps you need to follow. All right, there are important things you need to do so that you don't miss out, so that you don't fail in this business. There are factors that you need to put in place before you succeed in this business. Now, one of the factors is to do survey. One of the steps is to do survey. Now, survey is just you finding out about something, right? When it comes to starting yam business, you have to do your findings properly before you start anything else. You need to find out where can you get the yam. You need to find out how much will it cost to start. You need to find out what is the quantity you need to start with. You need to find out what is the transportation system you want to be using, your delivery method. How do you want to deliver the yam when it is demanded for? You need to think about some of these things. You need to understand who are your targets, who are the people that your customers, who are the people that need this yam. You need to understand what is the best season to do this yam business. Of course, you know festive seasons are the best season for you to sell yam. Okay, now if you understand all of these factors, you will know that this is very important when it comes to succeeding in this yam business, and that's why we're talking about doing your survey properly. That is number one. Now, number two is for you to raise capital. If you've done your survey correctly, if you've done it properly, you will have an idea of how much you need to be investing in this business. All right, that's the next step you need to follow to start the business. Very important for you to find money. Money is very important. You will need money to connect with people who are going to supply. You will need money to transport the yam. You will need money to do a lot of things. Okay, that is very important. That's number two. Now, you may be thinking, how do you raise money to start this business? Just in case you don't have capital and you're thinking of how to raise capital, there is a video I made on how to raise capital. If you've not seen that video, just check in the link in the description, or just look at this picture that you see on your screen. All right, go and search for it online. That's the video I made for how to raise capital. All right, watch that video. You have an idea of how to raise capital for your business. That's number two. Number three is for you to find a location. Location is very important when it comes to yam business. All right, you need a space. As a supplier, you need a good location to start this business, a place where your customers can find you. very, very important. You need a space where people can come and meet you and say, oh, I need yam. Right now, even if when you're bringing in the yam, you need a place to store them. That's very important. You need a place to store them. But the advantage here is, if you have a smartphone, you can do this business without storing them yourself. Are you getting what I'm saying now? You can do it just with your smartphone. You can control everything from the comfort of your home and receive your pay. These things are proven. People have done it. People are doing it. Are you getting this now? You can do this with your phone. You can control, connect with the suppliers, connect with your consumers or your customers, connect everything and make your money without leaving your house. This is a very good thing you can do with your smartphone. If you understand the process, if you understand the strategy, all you need to do is to use your phone properly and you make money without leaving your house. Okay, that is number 3. Number 4 is for you to connect with yam farmers or huge suppliers. You need to connect with people who have the yam and transportation authorities. Very, very important. Remember that you're not going to the farm yourself. You are not trying to enter the farm and start uprooting yam. No, that is not your business. Your business is just to ensure that the yam moves from the supplier to where it is demanded. Okay, that is why it is very good for you to build connection, build relationships with farmers. All right, build relationship with transport authorities. This is the very core part of your business, because you're going to be dealing with different persons. All right, you're going to be dealing with different persons, and so if you need to succeed in this business, you need to build connection, you need to build relationships. All right, that is number 4. Now, if you don't know, you may be starting this business now, you don't have an idea of how do you connect with people, how do you meet with people. If you need that information, I'm going to drop a link. All right, I'm going to drop a link to how you can get people. All right, I have sources, I have information to people who sell these stuffs, who you can connect with and start this business. Okay, that's number 4. If you want that information, just drop a comment for me in the comment section. Number 4 is transportation and delivery. Transportation and delivery. To transport yam successfully, you need to build trust with your suppliers and your buyers. I've said it before, you need to build trust. Trust is very important, because you're going to be doing a lot of sending and receiving of money. You're going to be dealing with different people in the business, so you need trust. When it comes to the suppliers, relating with the suppliers, you need to trust. You need trust. You need to build trust. When it comes to relating with the customers, you need to build trust, because some customers will give you money. You need to build trust. Before they will give you huge amount of money, you need to build trust. Very, very important. And when you're doing this, you need to make sure that you are delivering on time. That's one of the ways to build trust. All right, you need to deliver on time and stand by your word. Whatever you say, let it be the way you have said it. That's one of the ways for you to grow in this business. That has to do with building trust. Okay, now that's number 5. Number 6 is to start the business. After all of these things I've said, after all the finding out, after all your doing your due diligence, raising capital, building trust, the next thing is to do the business. The next thing is to take action. Starting the business requires financial diligence and consistency. If you have all this knowledge and you don't take action, you will not profit from the business. That is very, very important. That's why it's very good for you to, take action. Take action. That's the most important thing. Take action. And when you're taking action, you need to understand that you need to do your due diligence. You need to spend money wisely, and you need to stay consistent. Consistency is the key for you to succeed in this business. If you start once and stop, you may not get the profit as you need to, as you ought to get. All right, if you want to raise 100k, you need to stay consistent. If you want to raise 500k, you need to stay consistent. As a matter of fact, you can start this business with as low as 50 50,000 naira. You can start today with 50,000 naira. In fact, you can even start with less than 50,000 if you know what you are doing. Okay, and that is where I'm going to stop for this video. I believe that you've gotten value, you've learned something from this video. If you got value from this video, kindly like this video, kindly subscribe, and make sure you turn on the notification bell. All right, if you have questions for me, if you want to learn more from me, how you can make money online, just go to the link in the description. I'm going to drop a link there in the description, and I'm going to pin a message. Okay, I'm going to pin a post in the comment section, so do well to check all of this information that I have talked about, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Enjoy.